Okay, guys, we can just start the class. Okay, um, so yesterday we discussed about creating an account in service. So hope you guys have created an PDI account in your computer laptop, Lakshmi or Vinay, to get a chance to create an instance.
ఇది చెప్తే మన డబ్బులు కట్ అవుతాయి.
అదే చెప్పా
దీంతోనే చేయాలి.
అదే
Uh,
షాపింగ్ ఆర్డర్లు వస్తే దీంతోనే
yeah, Surendra.
అంటే నీకు డబ్బులు ఇరు.
Hi, sir.
I know. Lakshmi and Vinay, just asking you.
I didn't get you, Madhav. Can you please repeat it?
I asked that did you get a chance to create a PDI for yourself?
Okay.
So yesterday we discussed about creating a personal developer instance for ServiceNow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what about you, Vinay?
Yes, hi, mother. Hello?
Yes, Vinay, I can hear you.
Yes, I able to get whatever you told yesterday.
No, I'm asking you that did you created the personal developer instance account in ServiceNow?
I didn't, Madhav. Actually, I
No.
went to my home phone.
Okay.
So,
Okay, fine. Fine, yes, I thought, just to
I,
help you out that if you have
yeah,
logged in or if any
I
issues
will make
student.
it on Monday.
Hmm. Okay, fine. What about you, Surendra? Okay, somebody joined with PSR. Can you just give you a brief about who who is PSR?
Hi,
Hello.
Saidara.
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is also Saidara. Thomason Saidara.
Okay, Saidaro. Okay. Okay. Yeah, today we are going to discuss about the UI. So, which we have created an account yesterday, and today we are going to discuss about the UI and users and groups and their views. Okay. Um, just a moment, guys. Yeah, so today we are going to discuss about the UI that about the ServiceNow logo, and yesterday we discussed about the models, and I just wanted to repeat that class one more time so that I will get familiarized. Yesterday student asking that he did not understood. Because of that, he is new in the class yesterday. So I just want to repeat that, and I wanted to add a few things here in today's class that how we can create a user and what is the view of the user and what is group and how we can add users into the group. What are groups are there? Okay, that we are going to discuss and view of the end user when the end user have logged into the service. Now, what would be the view? We can check that. Okay. So we can everything we can here able to see that we can customize it based on the customer requirement. Suppose I can just change this logo of the service now because let's suppose I have a client. Okay, he wanted to change this logo. I can change this logo. And coming to this modules, so we have if you can type any module like in ITSM we have an incident problem change. If you type incident here, this is the call it as a navigator. Okay, so where we can search the modules in ServiceNow. So you'll get all the details of the incident module. See here, as I told, you have just got familiar with the incident that what is incident. So incident that whenever there is a service disruption that let's suppose internet is not working at home. Okay, that's a service disruption for you. So we'll be creating a ticket. And while you're connecting to the company laptop, the VPN is not working. So that we'll consider as a incident. So it's a service disruption for you. So we have to get an immediate assistance on that. So that's an incident. Okay. And incidents, we have SLAs, okay, service level agreement that P1, P2, P3, P4 tickets that we will discuss, further. But coming to the model, we can see that in incident, what models are there. So we can create an incident. We can see the assigned to me incidents. Okay, what are the incidents are assigned to me, and we can see the open incident unassigned resolved and all the incident we can see that and we can see the overview and we can see the critical incident map. Okay, these are the models with we can see it in the incident table. Okay, one thing I wanted to tell you that so it's a table. Every model it's in ServiceNow, it's a table. Okay, if you're familiar with the DBs, so you'd understand that what is a table. So whatever we are showing is seen in the form that will be coming from the table. Okay, let me open the incident. See here. So this fields, what are these fields you can see here? So number, color, category, subcategory, what are the fields you are seeing? All the fields that are coming from the table. That is incident table. Okay. If you go to the table here, okay. If you see, you can see the incident table that I has created. It's a label and name is incident. And what is this extend table? Okay. Extend table is a parent table for every model that is incident, problem, change, whatever the models we are using in IT service management product in ServiceNow. That will be extended from task table. Okay. And if you could see that whatever the fields we are seeing there, that category, let me type here. Just let's see that and type it number. Let me type the number. So if you could see the number, let's type the column. Now you are getting the caller details, category. It's a category. Okay, all the details of whatever you see in the form that are coming from the table. Okay, that is the incident table. Okay, and if you select any category based on category, subcategory will be populated, and you have a service field where every whatever you see here, number, caller, category, subcategory, we'll call it as fields. Okay, in ServiceNow. And we have a notes, so we have related records. So from incident, we can see the problem and the parent incident change request and caused by change. So as I told you that we have a when we create an incident for a couple of incidents, we need to if that issue is occurring, we need to create a problem ticket, right? Okay, because we need to repair that, or we need to change the device, that this when we have an issue with the internet. So an agent of that internet provider recommend to change the router, that this router is outdated, or maybe there's an issue with the router, so he might ask to repair or get it replaced. Okay, that further we can create a problem ticket. Okay, from that, you can create a change request that if needs to be really repaired, or create replacement should be done with the router. We can create a change request. Okay, that you can see in the related record of the incident, so that there is a relation to incident problem change. So I just wanted to highlight that. And we have resolution information when you are closing any incident, as per when you closing the incident, when you are done with the resolution, or maybe solution providing to the issue, you can close the incident, and that you can provide resolution codes and resolution notes. Okay, that is about the incident. Okay, and if you could come here, uh, this view is not appearing. I just wanted to show you the view. Okay. We could come here, we could see the view. In view, we have n number of views are there. Okay, you can see when you just open, when somebody have created a case. Okay, created an incident as an end user. So let's suppose I have created an incident as an end user. What view would be there to the end user? Okay, this would be there to the end user. He could see the number, caller, watch list, and opened date, closed date. What is the urgency of the incident, that that would be that would be highlighted here based on the priority of the incident, and the state, short description, additional details will be there. So this will be the end user view. When we come back to the admin view, right, default view, so this will be the view for the admin. Okay, so like this, we have a problem change, and service request. We have different modules are there. So based on the module, we have different views. Okay, let me open the problem ticket. So here in problem, let me open one of the problem ticket. So here in problem, we have different view. Okay, we don't have these are the life cycle stages that in your access, root cause, and fixing, in progress, resolved, closed. Okay, we have a different view when you compare with the incident. See here, we have just a number, caller, category, subcategory, and the details are there here. But when you come to the problem, we have different view, that it has to go through these phases to fix the issue. Okay, so you could see that we have a ticket created with the network issues, that is wireless issue. This is subcategory, and configuration item is wireless. So as I told you yesterday, right, there's a we would cover also CMDB part. So CMDB means CIs. So without the CI information, you won't be able to uh, incident would be created without that information, because that's a mandatory information that need to be filled, that is coming from CMDB. Okay, and he's talking about that unable to connect to Wi-Fi. That yes, because he is comes under network issue, and what is that wireless? That is the device is wireless. He just raised about the problem case that unable to connect to the Wi-Fi. So this will be the view, and this is the flow to be there in the problem ticket. Okay, and when you come here, you have a notes and analysis information, what analysis you have done, based on the issue and what is the resolution, what that add other information that who is opened by confirmed open date and confirmed date would be appear here. And also you can see the related links that we will be discussing later. And you could see here also that you can see the incident. We have relation with the incident and problem mentioned. You can see the incident and also the chain request we have created. And we have problem tasks that is that whenever the task which is created for this problem that we will cover it later. Okay. When you come to the view, we have so yeah, we don't having the end user view for this problem because uh, any end user or customer would be creating an incident. From incident problem or change team will be taking care of that. Okay, customer doesn't have to come to create a problem ticket. Okay, or change request. Okay, they will create a problem or change, but they have certain roles in the organization. But as an admin, you can see this view. But end user doesn't require to create a change or problem ticket. He'll create an incident, okay, based on the his issue and his priority. Okay, yeah. So just a moment. And also, as I told you yesterday, so this is the way you can search for the models. Okay, search for the models information. And these are the favorites that we can in normal terms, we can call it as bookmarks that let's suppose you have just opened the browser. Okay. You are just reading some articles. You wanted to save that articles. You will go and click on save that, like click here. You will be saving that, right? That will be available for you when you wanted to read out or you want to go through when you have some time. Okay, so that we will call it as a bookmarks. The same way, see, we can bookmark the models here. Okay, I have bookmarked the open instance and I have bookmarked the create a new incident and also have bookmarked the resolve incident yesterday. Let me show you for the some problem module also. Yeah, I could just bookmark for the problem. No problem model, and I could change this instead of that problem open, I could change it to with my name. Okay, mother problem. Okay, mother problem open or mother problem tickets. I can change it. Okay, you can just modify based on your need. Okay, so that you could just see that these are the tickets which have assigned to me, so that you can done. Okay, so you could see this. It has changed the problem. So you could see this other problem ticket. Okay. And you can see that history, whatever the ticket, whatever the recent history transaction you have done, or transaction means that whatever the tickets or incidents you have opened, incident or problem you have opened, you can see that initially today we have opened the incident and we have opened the table. So that all you can see here. Okay. And coming to the workspace, so workspace is that you can let me open the CMDB. I just go to the workspace. So it's in this, yeah, in this. So this CMDB workspace and asset workspace, it could be more advanced for you to understand. So I wanted to just show you that the service operation workspace so that you could see that. So you could see here this view that whatever the incident I've assigned to you and incident SLAs. SLAs means every incident have SLAs, P1, P2, P3, and based on the priorities, agent has to work and give the resolution. And we can see the unassigned incidents and the catalog tasks assigned to you. So we have a model in ServiceNow that in IT the comes under ITSM product. We have catalog items where you can just create a request or order something within the organization that I wanted to just install the software. I want to get the laptop and all, so that you can order it from here in the catalog module. Okay. And you can see that what are the today activities and upcoming activities. You can see that with the related links. Okay. And when you come here, when you open this the list view, so you could see also here that what all requests are there here with you, and what all open requests are there, and catalog tasks, the tasks which I was sent to you. So that let's suppose when I click on this, I don't see any records here for us. But let's up take an example. I wanted to just install software in my laptop so that you can created a catalog task, so that will be a period. So just like as we discussed incident, so we have a number of incidents, and you can see the incident number, short description, okay, caller, and the priority state. Okay, that we will discuss about the more details on this fields. What is the importance of these fields? Okay, and you can see the problem model on this workspace and the change, and the other models information, that whatever we have, the CMDB and knowledge articles. So as I discussed or covered in the first class, that knowledge articles that internally companies will be publishing about the R&D they have done, or maybe they what and publish the articles that the recurring issues, that whatever the repeated issues will be occurring within the organization, they can publish in the article, in the form of article that will be available in the knowledge module. So you can see that whatever they have published, that the article, like you could see example Microsoft Outlook issues, so they have published it. Okay, that is comes under IT. Okay, and they have created one article that USB port is not working on my PC. That is a known error. That is one of the category they have created it. Okay, yeah. And you could see that relocation policy. So some employee wanted to transfer from one location to different location. So they created in human resource general knowledge. That is one of the category. So we have different knowledge article, like medical benefits enrollment form. Same way, farmers benefits enrollment form. We have different articles they have published internally within the organization. So everyone can come and just read out and get the information. And the same way that about the issue, there will be issue means that incident. Whenever they wanted to create an incident, so they can come the articles. We can check and go through the articles before creating an incident. That basically, that if the user have access, he can just access it. But if he doesn't have access as an end user, he just directly come and create an incident. Okay, based on that, agent will provide the necessary action, that so go through this article that they will attach it. Okay, I'll just show you in the further, like how they can attach the articles, and end user will go through and uh, resolve the issue from himself. That okay. So usually, whenever we create a ticket with the internet provider, right, you will just provide few steps to troubleshoot from our end. That okay, you can just go through the steps, and you can do troubleshooting, and you can just restart the router, and that he just provide he'll be providing that information with you. Okay, yeah. Any questions so far, Lakshmi, Vinay, Surendra?
No, no, Omar.
Is it okay? Is it good? I mean, you're able to understand.
Yes, yes.
Vinay,
Yes, no doubts, sir.
okay. What about Surendra?
Yes, good. I just want to know one thing. Uh,
Mm.
uh, you said that the problems and the incidents, some of the modules. So, can you tell me where we can? I mean, can you tell me any example where we can use really when we are doing work?
See, this is an example. It's a real example, right? I see. I just told you that. So this is let's suppose this is a problem ticket. Okay. So why
Okay.
this problem ticket has created means that they have internet issue in the network, and that is regarding wireless internet issue. They are unable to connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay.
Okay.
So these issues repeated multiple times in the form of incident. So they have created a problem to fix this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and they provided description that why they are not connecting. So not able to connect to Wi-Fi, try to connect with different devices. Okay.
Okay.
Because if they are not able to connect to the Wi-Fi, they need to connect with a different device, mean different routers. Okay.
Okay.
If that is not working, then they will repair the router or maybe replace the router. Okay, that will
Okay.
be coming in the change model. The change manager, he will be deciding that whether he wanted to repair that router or he can replace the router.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
Got
I'm
it.
just giving an example to understand, but in the real time that when you just work in the companies, okay, that will
Okay.
be scenario will be completely different. Okay, they might have a number of issues. Okay,
Okay. Got it.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, yes. And I just wanted to show you that the knowledge problem and knowledge. Okay, view. So here, when you just type here knowledge, right? You could see here home page, and also you could create. You can see here. So what if you wanted to create an article, you can just click create new. If you wanted to check the published articles and retained articles, and if you can check all the articles, you can come and exploring. Okay. See, if you wanted to create an article, we have two options: that standard and known error article. Okay, if it is a standard, you can just come and create a new article. So based on the article you wanted to publish it, so that as I told you, like repeated issue, Microsoft Outlook is not working. You wanted to go through the transfer policy, some or maybe. Uh, that medical policy and all these kind of details you can just come and check here, and also you can check the number of articles they have published and how many are there, what is the use of these articles. Okay, you can just go through here. So yeah, as I told you, like we have relocation policy and medical benefits enrollment form and all, so you can just go to the articles. These are the published articles, and these are the retired articles which doesn't require. So you can see the details also. And so this would be the basic form view of a knowledge article. So we have number, and we have a knowledge base category, schedule published date, so valid to, and this short description we have, and the article body, what content you wanted to just write here. And we have a article type is HTML and Wikipedia. So workflow will be in the draft, and once you have published or non unpublished, that will be changing the state here. Okay, and if you could see here, every model has table. Okay, you could see here this knowledge article has table, that is knowledge table. Okay, yeah. So I will just wanted to show you, I wanted to create a account as an end user. Okay, I just wanted to go through users list, what kind of users are there, how we can create a users. Okay, so that will be there in the system security model. So we have incident problem change, right? For users creation and group creation and role creation, we have a system security model where we can create users, groups, and roles. Okay, let me click on the users. Okay, if I open the system admin, yeah, so this is a user. So if you could see that I'm in self-service view, I could see only few details, like if I'm logging into my account. Okay, I'll just show you. I'll create one account. I'll show you that what will be the view as an end user. So, but as an admin, as an admin, okay, if the view is self-service, okay, you you are creating multiple accounts or maybe user accounts in a day, okay, based on the requirement, or you will do the integration with this user table and with third party application to get created the user details. Basically, we have Active Directory. So that is one of the server or database, okay, where the user details will be there within the company. Let's suppose a company has user details, okay, like X company or maybe Microsoft or Infosys, any other company has the user details. So if I wanted to create a user details, I cannot create a number of users, right, in a day. Let's suppose they have thousands of users. I cannot create that. So for that, I need to integrate the system to get created here. Okay. So for that, I'll be integrating with I'll be just connecting with the Microsoft system, so that from there I can just creating the users in the user table. Okay. So if I have created a user, I want to check that what will be the view of the user which I've created. Okay, what he looks when he log into the his instance, he could see this view that is self-service view, that is a end user view. Okay, okay. So he can see the first name, last name, phone number, mobile number, title, email address, date, and the time zone. That based on the time zone he is in, so we can just create it. And because if he is in Europe, Rome, we can just select this and submit his details. Okay. Let me go to the default view. Then the form view will be changing. Okay. So you could see that more details like password needs reset, lockout, active, and web service access only. So that I told you, like, we have to integrate with the other third party system to get the users created in ServiceNow. So that these two options will be utilized to create users in users table. Okay, and we have roles to this user. Okay, these many roles are there because he's an admin and he's part of one group, like team development code reviewers. Okay, because every user is part of one group. That group has roles. Okay, based on the role only, he'll be defining that he's an administrator or developer or end user, right? So we have different roles, and that role will be assigning to the groups. I'll be discussing further. Okay, let's create a user account for us to understand that how in real time how the users will be creating. Okay, let me give a name. Okay, ServiceNow user. Okay, I'll give some random name that. Okay, this is phone number and number, some random numbers. I can give that. Okay, I can give the title based on the title he has. Some IT technician. Okay, and I'll give that some random email ID, abc@gmail.com, and system date format, that if he is in different country, he has different formats. Like we have in India, we have a DD, MMYY, right? Based on his time zone or his in country, he has different format, like a month and the date and year, and we have this we will consider that date, month, and year. The same way they have different formats, okay? Like MM dash dash or DD slash DD dash dash and DD dot dot. Okay. Based on his region, we can just select the date format and also the time zone, that we can select the time zone that he is in Dublin, London, or Madrid or Paris, anywhere. We can just select the time zone. By default system, we will consider as the America Los Angeles time zone. Okay. Let me go and create it. Just a moment. Let me just go to this default view. So whenever you creating a user, right, manually, so I think we need to add user ID. ServiceNow dot user. Okay, this is a user ID we will be providing, and also we will be just checking this, enabling this or checking this box option that okay, checkbox to reset the password. So we will be for example, so when you log into a Gmail, right, or any application, okay, the account details and password with the alphanumeric password that will be given to you, so that you can just once log in, you can just reset the password. Okay, the same way we will just give the assistance to the user to reset the password when he log in for the first time. Okay, so I'm doing this. Okay, I'm just saving this so that this user can log in and he can reset the password using this link. Okay, this account dev because I'm creating a user account in this account in this dev 2121871. Okay, so .servicenow.com. Okay, so yeah, let me just open incognito view. Let me give the password first. Sorry, I need to give the password. Okay, so for this, I'm just setting a password just to log in. Okay, I'll be generating the password for this user. Okay, let me just take this URL first. Let me click here. So I just wanted to log out from that my account. So if you could see this is the page where the user will be landed. Okay, this is the end user view where this page and everything will be landed. Let me type this ServiceNow dot user. Okay, whatever we have created. And regarding the password, we will be generating a alphanumeric password. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. If you copy this, what is okay. Let me try in a different way. Just a moment, guys. because I'm into the same browser, right? If I log out from there, the incognito is not accepting. Let me try it in different browser. So I just, if you could observe that, one thing is we can observe here now. Just a moment, let me verify this. So let me take this URL and let me log in with a different browser. Just a moment. See, this is a user ID, and I'm just generating a password right away. See now. You could see that current password, what are the password which we have given, and it's asking for create a new password. So I'll just consider it as I'll give some caps or an alphanumeric number to just pass as per the password requirement. I'll give that some capital S NOW at the rate some 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now I'm submitting this. Maybe it's not matching. Let me try it one more time. Invalid current password. Okay. Let me copy this one more time. Yeah. Now it is asking for you to just give the password whatever you have created with the user details. Okay. I've given some password. So it's asking. Okay. So I'm just trying one more time. Given this password, I'm just pasting the same password here. Password must not contain alphanumeric. More characters. Okay. So I'm just giving that as PSWRD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Invalid current password. Okay, it has expired. Something is wrong with the user, guys. I'll just try to create a one account. Okay, I'll just show you. Okay, in the next class. Something is wrong with the user. I'll create an account for you today, okay? Because we just almost wrapped up 40 minutes. Okay, I'll just show you tomorrow definitely. Okay, in the next class. Okay, because it's not taking that password whatever I'm just creating here. Okay, it's just logging in, but to reset the password, it's not accepting that. I'll just show you in the next class. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any questions, Lakshmi, Vinay?
No, Mark.
Okay. I'll show you tomorrow. Okay. That I'm just giving the right password, but it's not accepting that, and it's not able to log in. I'll just check that. Okay.
Hi, Mother.
Yeah. Hi.
Yes, I know. I'm not able to see your full screen. For others, I don't know. For me, it is not able to see.
I'm not able to see my full screen. So is the same
Tabs,
with you? If you could see now.
no, only that screen. Suppose if developer dot tabs are not able to see. And before you explain set password, that time also I'm able to see only that set password screen only. After that, you are working somewhere, but I'm not able.
Okay. Maybe I just selected only with this browser, I think. Okay. Yeah. Understood. This you could able to see now, right? The screen, whatever the screen you are.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I just what I do is I'll just give the access for all the browsers in the next class.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Surendra, Vinay, and Lakshmi, hope you guys understood that. Apart from that, yesterday you gained some knowledge in today's class, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, okay, great, guys. So I'll just create one user. I'll try to log in there. So what there's a glitch. I think I need to check that. I'll just check and I'll create a user. I'll just show you that as a user how we can log in. Okay, what
Sir,
modules? Yes.
this incidents we have to work in workflow, right?
No, not in workflow. So I did not get your question.
Mean whenever we join into the company,
Mhm.
uh, we see like this incidents, right?
Yes.
That like tickets.
Yes. Yeah.
Uh,
Tickets. Yes.
you told now by using this tool and we follow that tickets in this tool, right?
Yes. We will follow in this tool. So I just showed you here.
Yes,
So
yes.
we have an incident module, okay?
Incidents, yeah.
Incident problem, so change we have, right? So these are the incident tickets which are created by the end user,
End
or you
user.
can create an incident on behalf of end user. Okay, if end user doesn't, right now I'm not able to log into the instance, right? So the end user called you, okay, and
Yeah.
he is chatting with you that no, I'm facing this issue. I'm not able to log into ServiceNow to create an incident. So taking the details, you can just create an incident, because if he's an existing user, let's suppose this David Miller is an existing user. David Miller called me, okay, that he's unable to access the share folder. I've created an incident for him, okay, and someday he's called me that email service down, okay. This is a critical incident. I've created this incident for him, okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Got it.
yeah. Any questions, Lakshmi?
Yeah, not from my side.
Okay, okay, thanks. What about you, Surendra?
Yeah, I'm good, sir.
Okay. So guys, I request you to just create an account, okay, first. So explore yourself. You can just explore yourself with the instance, okay, the UI, whatever I'm showing to you, so that if you have any questions, or you can just ask me, okay. So that if I'm just uh showing you something, or creating you something, creating a record out of showing the flow, right? You can just get familiarized with that, okay? When you create when you create a person developer instance for yourself, then only you will able to understand. Then if you won't be able to create that, this is a Greek and Latin for you. That what I'm showing you, that will be there in your mind. That's it. But when you go and see that, and realize that and practice that, then only you could able to understand that. So this is there in format. This is the incident. This is a field. Okay. Okay, guys. If you have any concern or questions, you can just drop a message in the group chat. I can help you out, creating the PDI for you. Okay. In next session, we'll just take some time to create a PDF for you. Before that, I want you to try it. Okay. So just simple that you can create, just like you will be creating Amazon account or Flipkart or some any other account, right? You just create an account for ServiceNow instance. Okay. Okay, guys. If you don't have any questions, we can just wrap this class for today.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for joining.
Thank you, sir.